The next thing on the General tab we will talk about is the CNC analysis method. CNC refers to components and cladding, which would be items such as doors, windows, etc. If you do not require a CNC analysis, then you will simply select None for this method. On the right, you will likely see a combination of green and red text. The green text will mean that this is an accepted value. Red text, however, means we have values or choices that will prevent us from potentially selecting this method. If you need to select one of the methods that is red, you can hover your mouse over it to see what needs to be altered on it. You may need to change the height, building type, structure type, etc. You can also access the CNC in the top right corner of the app.